Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce you how to use XLSTAT in Excel to conduct conjoint analysis. It's a very useful tool for you to identify what attributes your customer like the most from your product, and you can also use it to predict the market share of your product. So here I use ice cream as the example. Ice cream is your product. So the first thing we need to do is to identify those factors and different levels. For example, we have flavor, packaging, light, organic here. We have chocolate, we have corn, we have not low fat, we have mango, a lot of things here. And then next step is to create a survey sheet for your customer, for your friends, for people to fill up, and we can collect some data to do the analysis. So here, conjoint analysis, and then we can use this size for conjoint analysis. Okay, here's the size for conjoint analysis, and we select the table, and then we select 10 people. 10 profiles means 10 products, and respondents 10. And then we use default settings for other things, and click on OK and OK. Okay, here is the sheet. You can use this information to survey people. There are a lot of different products, 10 different products, 10 different profiles. After you collect those information, those opinions from people, you can write down their response, and fill the sheet up. So you can use it to do the analysis. So I have a makeup survey result here. We have 15 individuals, and then they all rank these profiles. Like, for example, individual 1 like the chocolate the most. So, and then we can conduct a conjoint analysis. Here, conjoint analysis and conjoint analysis. And we can choose responses, this individual, and then we use ranking and profiles. Is this 4? And then you can use variable labels if you want. And we use these default settings again. So here is the result. As we can see that utilities for individual 1, if you compare, you can see these numbers. If you compare all flavors, chocolate is the biggest number because it's just 0 and other numbers are negative. And for packaging, pie is the favorite one, and no low fat and not organic, same idea. And if you can look at utilities, which is a general data, it means in general chocolate is the favorite and homemade is the favorite, and low fat, not organic. In general, people prefer these 4 factors: chocolate, homemade, low fat, not organic. You can also see that from the table, from the chart. And you can see the importances here is also about every individual. You can see for individual one, flavor is the most important factor for him. Let's say if he's a gentleman, flavor is the most important to him, and packaging is the second important. And you can apply the same idea to each individual so you can understand them. And if you look at the importances, you will find that in general, flavor is the most important factor and packaging is the second, lie is the last. So with this information, we can do a market share prediction. We can, at first, we need to generate some information first. We use variable information. Let's say we're gonna compare 3 products. So we generate a variable information and click on OK. We select some product to add. I randomly select some product. Let's say chocolate pies. Okay, here is our simulated market. We have 3 products here, and let's run next step. We're gonna use the simulation tool of Conjoint Analysis. So we need to collect the utility label table. And then variable information. And then simulated market and product ID. And we use default settings for other things and click on OK. Okay, and here is our simulated market. As you can see, 3 products is here, and then you can see for product 3 is the most popular one among these 3, and you can see the pie here. Product 3 occupy the biggest portion of this pie. And if you wanna change the variable of product 3, you can also use this function here to change it and see how the market share change. Okay, I change it to raspberry homemade low-fat organic. The market share become a lot bigger, you know. So that's basically the important things of conjoint analysis in XLSTAT. It's a very useful tool, as I said. And if you still have any other questions, if you're not sure about anything, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you.